Yeah, yes, I have one stop loss here from traders 256. Yeah, I earlier on promised you guys analysis about the UGX, US dollar against the UGX, and how the technicals are showing that it's going to perform. Currently, we're having the US dollar gaining a lot of value against the Uganda shilling, but uh, so many people are talking about so many things that are happening. So Kenya's doing this, Kenya's doing that, but what I'm looking at the technical bit, like what the charts really say, and that's what I normally consider very important. So you can see that on this chart being like that, it means our currency is not highly traded. So the best way to look at this chart is on a higher time frame. Let me say the weekly chart and all that to show, to give like us the sense of direction that was going, that the way that the market is going. So when I look at that, we had this push to the upside, okay, creating a new high, and then we had this retrace here, okay. So apparently we had another push, the USD against the UGX started another push. So if I'm to draw my fib to get projections of exactly where I look at this price going to before any kind of retrace, I'm looking at this price level here. That could be around 4,100. So those of you who are complaining, making noise here, you're still going to see the dollar gaining a lot of strength against the Uganda shilling. So that's a clearer chart. It's a monthly chart, but that is what I'm saying, guys. So if you have any comments or if you have any questions, you can type it in the chat. So me, I believe in the technical. It's the technicals that actually, like, the fundamentals just kind of just act as a catalyst. That is the news that different economies economies release, like all the news that different maybe say the banks, central banks release of those different countries. But it's basically the fundamentals that the technicals, okay, that govern, like that I consider mainly when I'm looking at what, when I'm looking at my trading. So you can look at, if you look at this was a very strong candlestick, like strong gain. If you look at this blue candlestick here, it's a strong gain. That's a strong push. So that means the momentum to the upside is still very high. So you are going to have the shilling continuing to lose value because of that. Okay, so I'm looking at around 4,100. I'm not saying it's just going there like tomorrow or what, but that is why we are heading. The Uganda shilling is not going to drop anytime soon. It's just going to be heading higher. So let's just brace ourselves for whatever comes out. So I've been avoiding this podcast because I don't normally do trade Uganda shillings, but the chart is there, of course. The UGX, I trade other currencies, but this is just for informational purposes, guys. So away from that, I'll see you in the next one. If you have any question, you can type it in the chat, and you can follow us on TikTok, traders, or at stop loss on TikTok. YouTube channel is traders256. I'll see you on the next one.